Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you end of an era Brazilian legend, how to take how to get Thiago Silva in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete a quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button and then tap the end of an era. So as you can see, there are 3 players bonus end of an era option here. So you can get, or you can tap this Thiago Silva 95 OVR center back. You can tap the icon for the details. So he get 99 defending and 89 physical as a main attributes, and also he got power header trait. So if you want this player if you want to sign this player, you can exchange the condition with 93 OVR player, one player, and then 92 plus OVR player, one player, and also 2 player of 90 plus OVR. So if you can fulfill this condition, you can tap this exchange button to get Thiago Silva. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.